Hey, I want to make a video showing you how to replace your, I believe it's called a side marker light. Mine went out, so I figured to show you how to do it. So it's pretty easy. You just, there's two Phillips screws right there, and you take those out. And let me show you on this side. I already started working on it, show you what it looks like. Okay, after you take the screws off, you'll be able to remove this, this is the cover from this side. I'd recommend leaving the screws in the plastic so you don't lose them, so you don't have to pull them all the way out. And they just went in there and there. I took this off, but I didn't have to because I didn't know how to get this off. This video will help you out there. So a little pro tip when you eventually change your light bulb, this one's a 194. Here's my replacement bulb. It's got little tabs right there, and you can just see it just goes in and screws in. And always look to see, sometimes these squares are different sizes. This looks all the same. What I'm going to do is put it on the wire and then put it in here and twist it, and then I'll button it up. But what I wanted to say is try not to touch the light bulb with your fingers, because the oil from your hands and stuff will sometimes make the light bulbs burn out faster. Especially on the high temperature ones. You'll see if you've received a light bulb with a bulge in it and it burned out, it's probably because it had a little oil on there. Anyways, let me clip this on. I just don't want to, I guess you can watch me do that. There, I got that on. Hopefully that's kind of showing up. And I'll just put the bulb in the cover there. Of course, off camera it went right in. Anyways, so then all I'm going to do is there's these little metal tabs that just go in these holes here. My car is a little beat up, oops, so things don't line up too good on it. Oh, here's my screwdriver. So mostly I'm going to concentrate, let me get you a better shot, right in there. I got to line up those screws, the holes. Again, I won't make you watch me fight with that. All I'm doing is trying not to lighten up the screws, but those little tab things don't quite line up well because my car is a little banged up. Okay, so essentially what I did is I lined up the screws first, and then you got to make sure those little metal things go into the plastic here. You just got to kind of wrestle it around. That seems to have gone on good. I made a little mistake. Before you button it up like I did, you should test the lights to make sure they work. So hopefully they'll work here. Let me go test them out. Okay, I turned them on. This one's working. And I don't know if that's showing up, but yeah, that one's working real good too. So I lucked out and they worked out first try. So again, test that out before you button it up. Anyway, so that's all there is to it. If this helped you out, maybe give me a thumbs up. And thank you for watching.